Hello everyone, my name is Vishwanath Nat and today I'll be your instructor. So before jumping into the session, let me just give you a brief introduction about myself. So again, my name is Vishwanath Nat and I have been working in this industry for almost 7+ years. So I have worked on multiple domains like mobile app development, web development, and AWS, Digital Ocean, lot of cloud services. And currently I am working as a CTO at Desun Technology Private Limited. So this AWS course is designed by me and I try to cover the most important services which AWS has to offer. Okay, so what we'll be covering? We'll covering EC2 instance and how we can host a site into our EC using our EC2 instance. We'll cover up S3 bucket, how we can use S3 to host a static website. Also how we can upload files into our S3 bucket. We'll see how we can do user management. We'll see about load balancer. We'll use RDS, which is relational database services. So I'm really happy and glad that to arrange this session, and let's dive into it. Great.